Hi, this is Andy with TEC, the Elevator Consultants. Looking at a Dover car top. This is an original, everything original car top of a Dover 1990s. It's a DMC controlled project. But this project, this car top I should say, is completely original, untouched, and it still runs, and the elevator still runs, and all these components are still, viable, good components. When you modernize these, you would look at doing the HD door operator. This HD door operator is an HD85, although it was installed in the 1990s. The design is from 1985 for Dover. The slide guides are original also on this job, and those typically would be replaced or refurbished. And then you have the door operating equipment, which you have a spirator, which is great, but sometimes the door operating equipment is not done, and sometimes it is done on the hoistway side. We typically do it when we modernize, but it's just showing you all the components, the hangers and the tracks of the doors. Thank you for checking out this video. Please check out our other videos. If you'd like more information on our company for the Elevator Consultants, you can look at tecvt.com or theelevatораpp.com. Thank you.